okay, Rich? You okay? Read the rest of the letter.